Well, it is a bright and sunny day out here in Joplin, and we are joined this morning by our friend Emily Frankowski with Connect2Culture. Emily, we are outside of the future home of Connect2Culture, the Cornell Complex, which is not standing just yet, but it's on its way.
Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to? I know you'll have your own office, you'll have all these different, but like what is the one thing that's sort of stuck out in your mind as the exciting element of this project?
I think it will just be super exciting to program for a space that's all our own. Usually we, maybe going to Memorial Hall or going to Joplin High School Performing Arts Center, but it's much easier to plan performances in a space that's all your own, that you know the schedule of. So I think that we're all just looking forward to providing more performances, consistently in a space that's our own.
I can hear them working on your office now.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah. Well, I want to go over some of the different classes and exhibits that are happening in the month of April. We've gone over performances, events. What about classes?
Yeah, so a great class that's going on is Spiva in Bloom. And I don't know if you know about Spiva in Bloom, but they always do floral arrangements by different florists that are inspired by Photo Spiva. And this is a class that you can learn. So with Justin Thomas of the Wildflower, you'll come to Spiva, they'll have a bunch of flowers, I presume, and then you will work on floral arrangements with a professional florist.
Cool. All right. So that's really fun. And then in terms of, what else do we have going on?
Yeah, so the other thing I've got on the list for us to talk about today is exhibits, and that is Paint in Motion by Philip Ledbetter, and this is an exhibit coming up at Art Central in Carthage. And I know Philip Ledbetter, who's a great guy. I actually know more of his photography work, so this is actually an exhibit of his paintings. So you'll get to kind of see what his paintings are like, and they're in motion, very colorful, a lot of texture to them, so a really fun exhibit to experience.
That's awesome. Very cool. Well, we are really looking forward to all of that. We'll have that information on our website. Emily, thanks for hanging out with us.
Of course.
All right, we're going to go check out some of the construction. We'll be right back after this.